I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, I'm watching my Ryan Hall, y'all, because the joy of being Tornado Alley. There's storms coming. There's a storms a brewing. St. Louis just had it, but I mean, there hasn't been any like pictures of or anything, and I've texted the people I know up there, and so far so good. Anyway, yeah, so that is my Sunday night. I'm just going to be watching about the severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. So just praying for the people. Love you all. Bye. If you see this video, you know I made it and everything's fine. Bye. Good morning. We made it. Bad weather and all. What is this? I know y'all can't see my hair, but I saw it. Oh, dang, I can't go to work. Oh, my star. Well, hopefully it'll be better when I get there. I mean, I know. How's it going to be better driving a car? I don't know. Anyway, it's too dark to deal with it. But hi, good morning. Look what shirt I'm wearing today. It says, be where your paws are. Just be there, wherever you're at. It's a t-shirt, but I got a jacket over it. But wherever you're at, just be there. Embrace it. And just find a way to love it. Yeah. If you got to go to work and you hate your job, just be there. Embrace it. Find a way to love it. I love my job. I feel very blessed at my current job. I've been a lot of jobs that I didn't love. I take that back. Because I make things because I always make things a social event. I loved being my very first job. I worked in a deli and bakery. Doggies, I ate them donuts like nobody's business. That company lost a lot of money on me. But anyway, and then we also had a hot food bar, and so yeah, they lost a lot of money on me. That was 16 to 18. At 18, I became a checker in that place, and let's see. So I loved that job, loved it. We'd sometimes drive up to St. Louis. Well, it's on this side of St. Louis. We drive up an hour and a half just to go get White Castle. And then my next job, nursing home. I loved that. I worked evening shift, but I'd often stay over, work night shift. And then I became a hairdresser. I loved that. And then became a nurse aide at the hospital. Loved that. I liked that. Then I became a nurse, and I've just been blessed. You know, I've just been blessed that the Lord is, even if it's not like a great day, you know, I've definitely had bad days and bad weeks, but overall, I've been blessed to say I have found things where I've worked to where I love it. So just be where your paws are. If your paws are at home, love it. And be present. And yeah, that's enough lecture. All right, what are you going to do today for your tomorrow self? Think on it. What are you going to do? Well, I have only, instead of bringing all the things to eat, I am only brought some 80-20 ground beef. Cooked, of course. But 8 ounces. I only brought 8 ounces of my ground beef with some of the rendered fat poured in. So that's what I did. That's what I brought today. Not a bunch of ketchup or cheese or bacon bits. So that's what I'm doing for myself today, is just eating this just eating that. Yeah, just eating that. So I'd like to try to lower my calories a little bit. So, all right. I'll see you at next thing. Guys, it's too cold to go out for a walk today, I think. Well, it was like 30 something. And she said with light snow. Well, I don't know. It does look like snow clouds. It's so funny. Last night, my sister had snow where she was at, and we had torn on the left side of the state. Well, towards the left side of the state. And here where I'm at, we had tornadoes. Oh, man. It's wild. Spring is a wild time around here. So anyway, but my Alexa said we had a little bit of snow, but I'm not seeing it. But, all right. Yeah, that's enough jibber jabber. Love y'all. Bye. I didn't put my coat on before I come out here. It's cold. Y'all, I want to try something. And I may hate it. I'm not going to crack this open, but I brought orange creamsicle Zevia. I'll drink on that later. I think I brought this to put in my car because my car is a little bit musty. So I'm going to pop it and I'm going to stick it over here in my car seat thing. All right. Anyway, this is what we're trying. Again, it may be nasty, 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 but we're going to do it anyway. Nasty is in gross. Why is it whenever I get on here, I see all these weird things? It doesn't look like that in the bathroom. Anyway, okay, so I did not heat up my 8 ounces of 80-20. I just brought 8 ounces of 80-20. I kind of want to see about my macros and trying to tighten them up just a little bit more. Anyway, I wanted to see if this is okay or not, or if it's gross. So it's just straight out of my lunch bag. I didn't heat it up at all. Okay. Not awful. Where's my spoon go? I'm just thinking in a pinch, you know. If I go to a conference and I can't microwave my stuff, I was wondering if it would be like better than having like all that liquid running down on the bottom. Maybe not. Yeah. I'll microwave that one over inside. It's too cold. Ain't going for a walk. I got an appointment. That's too much salt. I got an appointment for my car. Wanda is due for an oil change a while back. And so anyway, it's next Thursday. So what I'm doing, she also has 2 recalls. So what I'm doing is I am taking her at 1 o'clock. I guess I'm going to be hanging out at the car dealer he said it'd be about 3 hours. But anyway, so I'll hang out at the car dealer, and I took Friday off. Again, it's not this week, it's next week. So what am I going to do? I don't know. Hang out with Terry and the dogs at home. So, all right. I love y'all. I'm going to get inside because it's cold. Ooh, doggies, it's cold out here, y'all. I got where's the, out there. Put my little hands inside my sleeves. Look like a little kid. But we're going to go, oh, look, there's a little Kia Soul. That's the wrong color, but I just want to say hi. White painted Terry's car. Whew, I should have grabbed my, my scarf. I should have grabbed my scarf. But it's all right. All right, now we're going to flip around. Hang on just a second. Hey, how's it feel not to have to look up my nose? I could put you up eye level, and I could just turn it, and it'll be like y'all are looking right at me, and I'm looking straight ahead to make sure I don't trip in one of these big old potholes out here. So, okay, how you doing? You've had time to think about it now. Well, at least I have. What are you doing for yourself? What are you doing for your future self? Shut up. I know I just did something bad. But I am going to do just ground beef for my lunches. And I'll have my coffee in the mornings, which my coffee is 100 calories. But that's because all the stuff I put in it. Shut up. So anyway, so I have my coffee. So I don't intermittent fast. People ask me if I do. Well, I don't eat food, but I have all kinds of junk in my coffee. But it's collagen. Let me just defend myself. It's collagen and whole milk and creatine. Anyway, okay, all that aside. So so I'll do like usual. I'll keep my coffee in the mornings, and then I'm gonna just try this week and see how it goes. For lunch, I'll just have half of a pound, which is 8 ounces, of my 80-20. And I'm going to try not to put a bunch of stuff in it, just some seasoning. And then I'm going to try. I say try. And then for supper, have my other half of my 80-20 and my creamy. Because y'all know I'm going to have my creamy. So there ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about that. So I love my creamies. So anyway, so I'm going to try that. And that should put me about 1,500 calories. On my way down the first time, look at us, We're almost close to that stop sign. Can you see it down there? On my way down the first time, I was around anywhere between 15 to 1,400 calories right about now. I think I dropped it down to like 1,200 at one point, but then I was too grouchy. My poor coworkers. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to try 1,500 for a little while and see what that is. It's going to be very boring for you all, which is why I try to talk about other things. I mean, I could literally say, hi, good morning. This is how I'm making my coffee. And then next, okay, here's my 8 ounces of ground beef. Okay, here's my 8 ounces of ground beef and my creamy. That ain't no fun. I sure hope y'all can hear me because you're being blown around like nobody's business. Look, but we're making it to the stop sign. It's going to be so bad going back because the air is blowing behind me. And so now, oh, Jesus Louise. I feel like I'm against the wind, running against the wind, against the wind. Let's sing that song. We'll be running against the wind. Again, these people up here are probably like, what the heck's wrong with that weirdo? All right, I don't know if y'all can hear me anymore, so I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll see you later. Bye. Howdy, how you doing? I'm home, I'm settled in. I saw this thing where, because it's very much a routine. Come home, feed the dogs, and then cook my supper and feed me. I tried to push it back to see maybe, just how hungry I am. That didn't work. I fed the dogs and I was like, what do I do? This is my face razor. I keep it right under there. I keep it, actually, I'm behind y'all. I have a mirror over there and I pluck with it. And then when I'm done plucking, I just go on and shave my whole thing. Anyway, yeah, so I'm like, I'm too ritualistic. It's such a habit. Come home, feed the dogs, feed me, cook my food, and then talk to you guys. It's just my routine. So what we have tonight, told y'all I'm trying something a little different. I've got my calories, it's going to be right at 1,500. So this is 8 ounces of ground beef and 1 egg. And then I divided the rendered fat between today and tomorrow. So if you can see that. So that's what 8 ounces of ground beef looks like. And 1 egg down the bottom. Like, that's a lot of rendered fat. I might be racing myself to the bathroom later. I don't really know. I'm going to find out the hard way. But come on, feller. I don't know why I decided I need a fork. Listen, y'all. I'm becoming a purist, so don't be thinking that, oh, Terry's being all pure, just eating ground beef and egg. No, she ain't. Y'all know what all's in my coffee and my afternoon coffee. So I ain't no purist. Oh, but thank you for reminding me to cancel my keto chow for the month of April. I got that done. I just skipped that order. So thank you for that. You know how you get a kick? Well, I don't know. I've been on a kick for pistachio. I had to have a full-size one. And anyway, now I'm tired of it. It's nothing wrong with it. I just had a lot of it, so I'm kind of done. So I wanted to use it up this weekend. So there's 4 different things with pistachio. 2 plain pistachios and 2 that are chocolate and peanut butter and pistachio. It's just how I know to do something. If I'm tired of something, heaven forbid I put it back. I just got to finish it up. The chocolate peanut butter helps send it right on home. I have some, I don't remember what this is, what I'm drinking. One of the Zevias, but it's got my electrolytes on the bottom. Well, y'all, that's a wrap. I got to get my eye drops in. I have to do these twice a day. Stasis. Oh, you know what commercial I thought of? Earlier I was walking to work and I was like, man, I wish I could talk to you people. Okay, now you're going to have to think back because this is like, I think maybe the 80s. I think it's the 80s. Early 80s. Ready? Freedom's the one that took the stick out of gum, and put the fresh in your breath. Oh, Freedom's the one that took the stick out of... Hey, Ziggy, when was Freedent invented? When did that start becoming popular for people to buy?
Freedent was introduced in 1975. It quickly gained popularity as the first gum that wouldn't stick to dental work.
I remember my grandma had some. All right, y'all. That's what I know. I'm going to finish my supper and get on with my night. I love you, weirdos. I love you. Just remember, I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say I love you too? I used to do pediatric home health, and there was a little girl. I'd sit with her at nighttime. I say little, she was 12, but she had a seizure disorder, so she was really more like a, like a 6-month-old. But the one TV show she would watch was Barney. And please know this is VHS era, okay? This is before I moved from my town, before I moved to Illinois. So I guess it's 2007-ish. So all night long, all 8 hours, we watched Barney. 8 hours. So, yeah, I know some of those songs by heart. But anyway, all right. Anyway, love y'all. Freedom, the one that took the stick out of gum and put the fresh in your breath. Bye. All right, it's been a few days. So that right there is my coffee. And it says breakfast because you can't label it, but that's my lunch. So that was my ground beef for lunch there. And right here you see my afternoon coffee. And then you see my supper. It says dinner. And then you see my snacks, which I'll have when me and the dogs go to bed. And that's my total macros for the day. So I'm going to try this out. 1,500 calories. We'll see how long I hold out. Ha!